Hey everyone, I am going to show you the Hello World mobile application. Xcode is required for the iOS development. So if you have already installed, then you can directly open. If you don't have Xcode now, don't worry. Please open the App Store and search Xcode. You can hear the download option. I have already installed and so it shows update option. I will update tomorrow. Now we can open Xcode. So here you have seen three options. Just click on create a new project, single view application. Here you can choose the project name, Hello World. Click to next. And here the display name of application name. And this is the bundle identifier, your application version and build number 1. You can change according to your build. So now you can click on view controller. This is the UI view controller. The name of this class is view controller. Inside this block you can code. And one more thing is that main.storyboard. You can design your interface and look up things. First I will show you the change color of this screen. So now we can choose system yellow color here, and now we can add the library. There are lots of objects like label, button, segment control, text field, slider, switch, activity indicator, and so many things. So right now I am just using a label on the screen. Just drag and drop. The size is very low, so you can increase the size 30 because of center screen. From here you can change the label Hello World. Just save it. Command S, Command B for build. Now it's building. And Command R for running. And the simulator opens shortly. Here you can see the lots of device like iPad to iPhone. And if you have iPhone, then you can connect through cable. Then you will see then then you will see your iPhone here. So I am choosing iPhone 11 Pro Max, and this is your first application. So now you can stop it, and now I can do something interesting. We can take a text field here. Also we can take a button. You can increase the button size and background according to your requirement. So we can take a so now we can choose red color, and text color is white. Size is very small, so we can increase the size of button, text size. And the name of button you can change here, submit. this scenario I will show you whatever you have typed in this text field, it will automatically add in to hello via submit button. You can add placeholder from here of this text field. So just click on this. So we need to create the outlet. Label. Just drag and drop. Text field and the submit action button. Submit action button. And this is the action button action. So label dot text equals to hello and your text field value. Your text field value is text field dot text. Save it, build, and run. Coding feeds. So you can see how simple it is, and I will make lots of iOS application and project as well. Also, I will share the source code of upcoming projects. Just connect with me. If you have any issue regarding iOS development, just comment below, or you can fire a mail to me. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.